I'm going to be showing you how to recover banned or blocked Bumble account. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is to review community guidelines. Just read the community guidelines to understand the rules you may have violated according to Bumble's website. Just go ahead and search for the guidelines for Bumble and just read them. After you've done so, you just need to open the app, go to your settings, and find Email Us option right there. Just go ahead and tap here and report a technical issue. After you're here, you just need to send a polite email or just submit an appeal regarding the reason you've been banned, and make sure you have a strong case. You can send some screenshots to make a strong case and just write down how you may have been wronged in this ban and that you do not deserve to be banned or blocked in your Bumble account, and just add the screenshot and just send it. And you just need to wait for Bumble to contact you back. So in this way, you can successfully recover banned or blocked Bumble accounts. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.